In an age where healthy living is becoming a trend, green juice has emerged as a popular drink for many people. But what actually happens to your body if you get into the habit of drinking this bright green cocktail every day? Whether you are a teenager or young adult who is interested in health, green juice is recommended. Explore and discover the exciting effects of regular consumption. How it can change your health. Nutrient boost. The first thing that happens when you start adding green juice to your daily routine is an increase in nutrients. Green juices are often made from a variety of vegetables including kale, spinach, and celery that are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. These nutrients support your overall health and give you lots of energy that makes it easier to get through your busy day. Enhanced hydration. Green juice is a great way to stay hydrated. Vegetable water used for juicing helps maintain adequate hydration, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and body function. Adequate hydration keeps your body fresh and cool, especially during the hot summer months. Improved digestion. Drinking green juice regularly improves digestion. The enzymes and dietary fiber found in vegetables help your digestive system by making it easier for your body to break down and absorb nutrients. Green juice may be the natural solution you need for digestive problems or irregular bowel movements. Clearer skin. Many young people are striving for healthy skin. Green juice helps in this department as well. Antioxidants in vegetables like spinach and kale fight free radicals and promote clear, radiant skin. Over time, you will notice a reduction in acne and healthy skin. Weight management. Weight management is a frequent concern in adolescents and young adults. Green juices can be part of a balanced diet to help maintain a healthy weight. It's a low-calorie option that can help you control your hunger and reduce unhealthy snacking habits. Increased energy. Are you tired and lethargic? Green juice gives you the energy you need. The combination of vitamins and minerals in green vegetables will boost your energy and make you more alert and ready for the day ahead. Strengthened immune system. A strong immune system is especially important during cold and flu season. Green juices contain immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid that strengthen the body's defenses against disease. Detoxification. Chlorophyll found in green vegetables is a natural detoxifier. It helps your body eliminate toxins and waste, making you feel lighter and more energetic. Detoxing regularly can improve your overall health. Improved focus and cognitive function. Staying focused and sharp is important if you are a student. Green juice supports your brain health by providing essential nutrients that improve cognitive function. Better concentration can lead to better academic performance. Better sleep. Struggling with sleep? Green juice contains magnesium, which helps to relax and improve the quality of sleep. Drinking green juice regularly can help regulate your sleep patterns and help you get the rest you need. Incorporating green juice into your daily routine can have many positive effects on your body, from better nutrition and hydration to better skin, weight management, and increased energy. A young adult or teenager needs care to ensure your long-term health and well-being. Drinking green juice to be tasty and refreshing is a way to start a healthy lifestyle. So grab a glass of weed goodness and toast to your radiant health.